It actually looks like legit Thai food. I'm amazed that I was actually able to make this.
We're Dylan and Jen. We love to eat and drink our way around as we explore new places and then show you the best things we find. We call it Urban Hiking Plus.
Hey everybody, welcome back to another video coming to you again from Chiang Mai, Thailand. This morning we got up a little bit early, for us at least, 7:30. We usually like to sleep in, but today we are going to a Thai cooking class. We've seen a lot of videos about this and they look like they're a lot of fun. Usually the way it works is you go to a market, they kind of explain Thai food and sort of the theory behind Thai cooking and help you buy things, then you take it back to the cooking school and you'll choose a bunch of dishes to cook. So should be a fun time. Let's check it out. For the cooking school? Yeah. Yes. Hey, how's it going, y'all?
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Oh, nice.
Where in California from?
Los Angeles.
Okay. Yeah, so we get snazzy baskets. This is what we're gonna buy our food with. We got our baskets and we are on our way to the fresh market to pick out food for the dishes that we selected. Yeah, this market is very locally. We are the only Western people here and we really stand out with our brightly colored baskets.
One is the fish sauce. Fish sauce is quite strong smell, very smelly, very strong smell. And this one is oyster sauce. Both of them is always go in stir fry. If you have this too at home, you can open Thai restaurant too. This is palm sugar.
Palm sugar.
Yeah,
okay.
we use sugar a lot in Thai cuisine. Everything has a sugar. Today we're gonna make a curd head by ourselves. We're not gonna buy it from here. You have to know what's it in here. Do you like spicy?
Yes.
Please remember, Thai food, if it's not spicy, it's not tasty.
Yes.
Four favorites come together with the balance. Sweet, sour, salty, spicy. Yeah, if it's missing some taste, some favorite, it's not real Thai. Both of them is the tofu. The yellow one and the white one, it tastes the same. Very common to use in the Pad Thai. This one is the chicken blood. We use it a lot in the soup, in the curry here. Many different types of the noodle. The white one here is it the rice noodle. This is an egg noodle, the yellow one. And the last one is the glass noodle. Ai không sao không ạ? Beware your head. I'm tall. Me too. Here is the ginger. This one is the leaf of the sweet potato. Sweet pea. This one is the basil. This is the turmeric. Ginseng, galangal, Thai ginger, 3 different types of mushroom, green papaya, banana flower, tamarind, eggplant, fresh peppercorn, young pepper, chili is our friend. Yeah, this one is the bird's eye chili, red blue chili. Please help me to carry this one in your basket. Now, everyone, I have time for you to walk around the market.
This is the market that we stopped at. It's called the Kor Market, K-O-R. And we picked up a bunch of stuff for the cooking class and the ingredients and things. And Noodle, our guide, has kind of shows us what all the stuff is, gives some background on chilies and different sort of fruits and vegetables, all the noodles and things. Really, really cool. This market is great. Like I said, it's very, very locally sort of market. You know, aside from us, really, it's it's all local Thai folks buying stuff for. It seems like maybe for kitchens and for home cooking. Yeah, I love the improvised fly swatters, like for the meat. This one has them as well. Those are bags.
I mean, 1 kilo of like 4.
Oh.
Cooking class.
And we're gonna start from the stir fry. This is hot CU. Onion, bacon, garlic. Onion in quarters. Peppercorn uses smashes, crushes the palm sugar in the bowl. Okay.
Spread the oil out a little bit. Put the onion and shallots in.
Keep going,
And the pepper. Oh, that is strong. How the vegetables go in.
Wait, grab your right to my knees.
Now the noodles. And the sauce.
You're gonna make this for me at home?
You know it. It actually looks like legit Thai food. Yes, look at that. That looks awesome. This is pad siu. Add some fresh lime to it. This is the sauce that's gonna make it really spicy. Look at that. That looks just delightful. Let's try some of this. See how it is. I'm amazed that I was actually able to make this. Yeah, it's good. Alright, so the next one is hot and sour prawn creamy soup. At least that's what I'm doing. Other people are doing different stuff. Ooh, yeah, there are the ingredients for it. So I did 4 chilies. Well, actually 3.5. Jen gave me half of hers. Hopefully I'm not going to regret that decision. They look great though.
Mushroom, onions. Now everyone, turn the heat down. Let it cook and only it's chewy.
Prawns and oh, look at that. That's neat.
One spoon garlic. I'm in. But that's condensed milk. You are more spicy, more chewy.
Good.
Papaya salad som tam, right? We use a grater, do short side like this, about 30 times. Okay. Carrot at 10 times. Eggplant, thin slices. Tomato is about 5 times.
Oh, it's flying everywhere.
Green bean, 1 inch long.
Yeah, like
In here?
Yeah, in the order. Everything else in.
Let's try some of this papaya salad. See how this is.
You can eat everything. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
That is really good. Fishy and sweet. Really refreshing kind of salad. Good crunch of the peanuts and the papaya. Really good. Okay, now we're gonna try this soup. See how red that is. It looks awesome. It's got some big old shrimp in there.
Dog's coming.
Sweet and creamy. It's the coconut milk that was in there originally.
Too hot?
Samosas.
Nice.
Freshly fried.
Those look great. Nice. And then you're gonna deep fry those?
Yes. So everyone can fry. I almost dumped the oil. I was gonna say I can't eat all these, so you can have some.
Okay, I will do it.
I will share.
You eat not unhealthy food.
Oh, I eat everything.
It's very healthy. Like you see this. Healthy. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do they look like inside? Oh, yeah.
And it's served with the sweet chili sauce.
Yummy. Looks professional.
Yes.
Kapkun crab. Kapkun crab.
All right, now it's time for main course. I'm doing khao soy. People doing masamang curry. A little bit of
Khao
everything.
soy.
It's gonna be good.
This one is khao soy.
Soy.
Gotta do khao soy. It's like the quintessential northern Thailand dish. Yeah, exactly.
The spices in the small bowl here. It is coriander and black pepper. The long skinny one is cumin.
You wanna go?
A few sit-ups lately.
Here we go. Yep, starting to look like khao soy. And then we added the noodles. Noodle.
Crunchy noodle.
Okay. Yeah. We're gonna try the khao soy that we just made. Looks like actually legit khao soy that we get all over the place around here. Yep, that's good. I can't believe we actually made this. Cool. Yeah, it's good. You got some crunchy noodles in there. Yeah, that's what it's yummers.
1 teaspoon of palm sugar in our pot. 2 teaspoons of the brown sugar.
Are you guys free tonight? No, we're fat.
Yeah,
so like,
it's really good.
I know.
There we go. We got it all.
This one is continuous. We will let the sticker absorb all the coconut milk.
Oh yeah, you see the ice in it?
Never had that before. That's like the new mango sticky rice for me.
How's the mango sticky rice?
Good. Yum.
I know.
Oh, fucking cop. Super cute.
We'll have to wear these.
I love these.
Everyone, I hope this one's gonna useful, helpful when you try to make Thai food, to cook Thai food at home again. Thank you for you come and join my cooking class today. I hope you enjoy with all the food that you cook and enjoy with my class here. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Happy New Year to everyone. Photo with all of you. Hungry, hungry. Spicy, sexy. Spicy. Chili. Hungry. Thank you very much.
All right, so we had a great day at the Yummy Tasty Cooking School. This is Noodle, the head chef and teacher. She is amazing. Highly recommend this cooking school. We had a great time. As you can see, had some awesome dishes. Super fun time in Chiang Mai. All right, so we made it back from the cooking class. Really great experience. Noodle was awesome. We had so much fun doing that. And we went back to the house, hung out for a while. Now we were going out for the night, going to the night bazaar in the Chinatown area. And it's also New Year's Eve 2019, 2020. So yeah, gonna enjoy the New Year's festivities, which includes lanterns and hopefully some fireworks. Yeah, you will see that in a bit.
Wow.